from batch 1995-96 and my co-host Maya Kapoor from 2007-2008 batch will be taking you through the proceedings today. A day like this is very important as it gives us the opportunity to meet many of our school teachers. That's nice, good. Give a round of applause for all that group sitting down and answering to every question I asked. That's great, that's nice. Before we begin, allow me to render my gratitude to each and everyone here. There's a lot of sacrifice done for all those who have set all their things aside and made it possible today. We thank you. Hope this evening will be a memorable one.
Hello.
We are all excited to be here at our alma mater.
The place where we made best friends.
Here that we had most fights.
Here that we got punished once in a while.
And the place that has made us what we are today.
Anyways, getting on, let us invoke the blessings of the Lord with a prayer song by Atira Anil Kumar of 2012-13 batch.
सर्वकारेषु सर्वदा कुन्देन्दु तुषार हारधवला या शुभ्रवस्त्रामृता या
ओंकार स्वरूपा सद्गुरु समर्था ओंकार स्वरूपा सद्गुरु समर्था अनाथाच्या नाथा तुझ नमो तुझ नमो तुझ नमो तुझ नमो तुझ नमो
That was indeed a devotional song and indeed a devotional dance. We thank Shweta to make this atmosphere really very nice. We really felt that we have Lord Ganesha amongst us. Thank you. There's an announcement. The Alumni Association. No? No? I can't hear you. That's nice. Thank you. If you haven't done it, kindly go there at the entrance. Get yourself registered for the BKS Alumni Association. Thank you. Moving on. Now, I would like to invite on stage Srimati Ramani Vijayan, the headmistress of BKS English High School and Junior College, and to escort them I would request Prashant and Chaju to please escort our teachers and the dignitaries today. We have I need a standing ovation, don't you think so?
Shri P.V.K. Nambiar, ex-president of Basin Kerala Samajam.
We welcome you, sir. No, we want you on the stage. Thank you, sir. Round of applause for sir. He made it up since he had a very busy schedule.
Now,
committee member, teachers, students and all well-wishers. It gives me immense pleasure to address you on this auspicious occasion of our alumni reunion. A day like this is very important as it gives the opportunity to meet many of our ex-students after a long time. Also, they get a chance to meet their former teachers and other staff who have been their mentors. Allow me to tender my gratitude to each and everyone for finding time to be with us today. It takes a lot of sacrifice to adjust and find time from your busy schedule to come and attend such function. I do hope that the experiences of this day will be worth the sacrifice you have made. Let me tell you that this is the first alumni meet organized by the school. Earlier, there were batch-wise gatherings and get-together organized by various batches. Actually, since the last 4 to 5 years, we, the teachers and management, were planning to arrange such a meet. Now, that dream has come true. You should be thankful to the school and management for arranging such a mega event. This meet was possible due to the active participation of our management. My thanks goes to our President, Shri K.O. Devasi, our Secretary, Shri T.C. Achudan, the Treasurer, Shri C.P. Usman, Shri Rajesh Iyer, Education Committee Member, and the Management Representative, Shri George Ukan. I am given the duty to welcome all of you to this memorable event. Before I welcome you, I would like to share some of my feelings and experiences with you. I think I am lucky because I got a chance to teach the students of our first SSC batch in 1988, and I am still continuing to teach the SSC students as on today. Our school was established in 1972 with a few students, and gradually it grew to a full-fledged secondary school in 1985, and in 2010 it was upgraded to a junior college. On this occasion, I remember the service and sacrifice provided by the earlier teachers, that is Sally teacher, Rohini teacher, Raji teacher, and Rajamma teacher. They have witnessed the step-by-step growth of this institution. Though the school had limited infrastructure, all facilities were provided to the students, and our dear students have made us proud by winning laurels both in curricular and co-curricular activities. Let me tell you that our school is one of the best schools in Vasai, with a good team of experienced, trained and dedicated teachers. Now that there is a tough competition in the education field, there is a lot of changes in the education system and the methods of teaching, etc. Our school also provides latest teaching aids, the e-learning system, so that teaching learning becomes more interesting. I am sure that all our ex-students were very talented in one or the other way. I am proud to see that our students have climbed the ladder of success and presently holding top positions in their workplace in India and abroad. I feel at least some of you can utilize your talents to arrange programs on personality development, career guidance, etc. for our present students and share your experience to achieve the goal. You should be a motivation to our present students. Please note that this program should not end now. I wish you should form an alumni association and arrange such alumni meet in future also. How can you forget your school and teachers who taught you the simple lessons of life that made you a better person? Now, it is my privilege to welcome all of you to this memorable alumni meet. It gives immense joy to welcome Shri Kevo Devasi, President of Blessing Kerala Samajam, to this function. Allow me to remind you that it was Shri Kevo Devasi and a few others who initiated the moment to establish this school. At present, I am happy to see that he is the president of BKS. He is the ex-president of BKS and at present corporator of Vasai Vida Mahanagarpalika. There is no need of any special introduction about Nambia sir. It was because of his active participation in the welfare of this institution, our school has succeeded in getting upgradation to a junior college. Our thanks goes to him, and Nambia sir is always there to help and solve problems pertaining to this institution. Now I welcome Shri T.C. Achudan, Secretary of Blessing Kerala Samajam, to this function. He has always been a support for all the activities of the school. We should appreciate his positive nature. I welcome Srimati Rohini Nambia, our senior most teacher of BKS English High School. We should appreciate her dedication and hard work towards the growth of the institution. Now let me introduce to you Mr. Rajesh Iyer, Education Committee Member and Coordinator of this alumni meet. Mr. Rajesh Iyer is the main brainchild in organizing the alumni meet. His constant interaction with the ex-students helped us a lot to get all of you involved in the function. Mr. Rajesh Iyer, I welcome you to this function. I welcome all our retired teachers and present teaching and non-teaching staff. After all, it was the teachers who enlightened your world by showing you the right way. They have helped you to make each day a new beginning. They were always to be your best friends, mother, and even a guide. I welcome all other managing committee members and well-wishers who had come here to grace the occasion. I know that many of our ex-students are visiting your alma mater after a long period, that is after your schooling. I welcome all of you to this BKS alumni reunion. I would like to inform you that it was a tough job to locate our ex-students, and it would be a great pity if somebody has been missed out of this wonderful occasion. I am very sure all of you are so excited to meet your batchmates and teachers. Let me express that the alumni are the brand ambassadors of this institution, and their participation and sincere involvement will support various ways in taking the school to new heights of excellence. So do everything possible for the development of the school and ensure to help its good name and reputation. I wish you all the very best, and I sincerely wish you all to outshine in every test of life. Thank you. Have a wonderful evening. God bless all of you.
Thank you. Thank you, madam. That was indeed a motivating address, right, friends? Okay. I like one thing that Ramani madam stated.
It's an unforgettable moment for me, because I remember those days when we started this in Kerala Samajam in 1960. I, Matthew, was the president, G. Joseph was the secretary, and C.V. Panikar was the treasurer. We started so many activities under BKS. Starting a school, irrespective of caste,